We already have some coffee, some Danish, and croissants. Let's get the morning going. This is a snack. The light here is pretty cool. It's about 8:40 in the morning. There's this cool, like, icy purple going on. Pretty crazy. We could just stay at the room and see like a whole bunch of stuff. Can't really get the trees to come through on here. Maybe on a bigger screen you can see them. This is Cabanas on the ship. I believe they each have a Cabanas location for the buffet, breakfast, lunch, dinner, a couple hours each time. It's themed to more of a tropical aesthetic, so it's playing all this like reggae music. Meanwhile, we're going to Alaska, so it's kind of funny, but you know, the food's good, and who doesn't love sausage and pancakes, especially for breakfast? Now, we weren't that great about checking the map to see where we were. Apparently, we were still in Canada. Silly me, I thought we were already in Alaska, but we were corrected later. There's no knowing where we're going. We're in this tunnel on the 4th deck. We're at the bow. Sir, is someone chasing you? Are you in danger? We really like the look and design of this level for the ship, and it just has a very nostalgic feel to it. We said we were going to spend more time here, but we only came out that day for some reason. Our room host, Greg, did a pretty good job putting the room back together. Over here for our charger, he like wrapped up our cords. That's pretty awesome. Normally they kind of fall all over the place. I wonder if I could take that home with me. Mango strawberry. Napkin folding for dummies. Let's see. So we're doing a few.
Hello, dear loves, how you doing today? Hey. Alright, welcome to dear loves, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Annie from Chile. But your first have team.
A really different part of this cruise to consider if you ever go to Alaska on one is you don't really have that lounging pool time like you would in the Caribbean. So you do find yourself interested in activities such as this, not because you can't stand being outside, but you kind of want a balance. Warmth, cool, and it's a lot of fun.
So this is the front part, and this is the back part.
Oh.
So this is the leftover in a tube. Don't touch it inside properly, it will fall apart. So now, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna take the bottom part almost until the top. And now we just need to flip it over and to open the middle part.
Oh.
Tuxedo. Then we're doing black and white. It's
Tuxedo.
nice. At the same time, yeah. So we do the same thing. So it's very nice. Yeah, so that's how it is, yeah. This is the bottom of the boot, okay? Just need to straight up. Yes. And now we're just gonna open the top. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 flags. Take one flag on one side and 3 on the other one. Beautiful, yeah?
Peter Pan's boot. Look at
Everybody
that.
get their own boot? Yes.
He has the little, she has the
So
little
thank
like
you so
curve
much.
up.
Keep on
Curve it up a
practicing.
little
If you
bit
have
in
any
front.
questions, you can always double check with your server.
Hey.
You can always ask me if you see me around. Keep on practicing
Nice.
and enjoy the rest of the cruise. Thank you.
And we are on land. The closest point to land, actually, I'd like to mention that we are actually 1,000 feet right below us, and we're not planning to go there this afternoon. So. And translated to somewhat normal English, or at least my version of it, we are in a channel called Prince of the Channel, and we are right in between two large islands. We have Banks Island on the port side, or left-hand side of the ship, and Pitt Island on our side.
We just watched Aladdin. Even though I watched it on the airplane, I wanted to see it again. We're a little further out now. This whole morning we were still in Canada, and I didn't realize it until they announced it. And now we're more in open water. Time for us to head to formal night. We are all set. Yes, yes, yes. This is what we really look like. All right, time to go see the show. If you haven't been on a Disney cruise, this is the evening where you wander around before dinner or the show, and you kind of just like pretend you don't know what's gonna happen, and people have alcohol on trays, and you're just like, why? All right, I guess I'll have your complimentary drink. I have no idea what this is. Oh, I'm very blue. We're wandering. What? Get some decent pictures over here. Oh yeah.
White one. Ah, the do-it-yourself. I want you to take it, come close. I want you to fold your card in half like this. Go ahead, pick it up and fold your card in half. I'm gonna fold this card, going slower than you. I'm gonna take your card back and put it in between. You see how it fits? That's all you have to do. Thanks for helping. Take a seat, make yourself at home. Mark has worked hard to make this work. Now you're gonna watch with these 3 queens and 4 queens. I'm gonna place them like this. One in there, one about there, one about there. That's 3 of them. Fourth one right about there. So they're spread out in different spots. And down you say stop wherever you want. Right there? Good. Another pile. Excellent. There. 4 piles. Very nicely done. Thanks for coming out. You did really good. we see it? Put it right there so we can see it. That's weird. George, name any card in the deck. Ace of Hearts. Wait, that's the one we had. Pick a new card, George. Nine of Hearts. Do you see a Nine of Hearts in the deck? Somewhere in this deck of cards is a Nine of Hearts. I have no idea what it is, but I don't really care. George, I want you to take the cards in your hands. Let's make a nice frame so that we can see George.
Keeping an eye out for waiters with free drinks. They're not as plentiful as they were on the Fantasy. Where are they? Oh, it feels so good out here. Success! Wine, and I'm not even sure what that is.
Good.
It's pretty decent though. I think we had it during the magic show, the close-up magic show, and I'm guessing Chardonnay. Very different from a Caribbean cruise. Everybody's inside, the pool's closed, whatever bar that is closed. We're waiting for dinner time. We got about 40 minutes or so. We're just out messing around, pretending to be on a photo shoot. We've been out here taking some silly photos. I'll add a few into the video. No one is out here. It's pretty cold. I can't really feel my fingers. I can't tell you how cold it is, but it feels pretty good compared to... Our phones change back an hour, like almost like 8 hours early. The time changes back tonight at 2 a.m. So we're way late for our dinner. Luckily, our server was like, come on in, have a seat. So now we're eating. You're having lamb.
Not the lamb.
Rack of lamb.
I really need the internet to take it.
Hi, Manny. Have a good night.
Amazing. Everyone's really good.
Hi.
Good to see you today. Yeah, thank you. Look at you a bit too. You look very dapper.
Going to the Cadillac Lounge. Got our
our love tonight if I know just what to say.
I like this door. I like their magnets. It's cool. And we just came back. Let's see, what did Greg set up for us today? Looks like a little bear. You think? Like a little bear. There's our comfy bed. Let's see how much we're moving. Let's check the baton. Let's check it out. Let's see. It's not rocking that much, but we were kind of sidestepping it a moment ago. I still can't get over how big the room is. It feels so spacious.